If you ever heard that your mix is too crowded or muddled, this video is for you. Don't worry, that's a very common issue, no matter the experience you have. We all deal with bass overlap, vocals not cutting through the mix, and not enough headroom while all instruments are playing. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you the brand new way to deal with those without cutting too much with EQ or making sounds weaker with sidechain compression. You probably heard about phase cancellation. That's the root cause of clashing channels. It causes certain parts to cancel each other out. The results are usually loss of volume and clarity in those ranges. Common situations in which you can experience that are layering drum and melodic samples, using multiple mics while they are not placed correctly, stereo imaging, room acoustics, and even parallel processing. All of those issues are way easier to pick up while summing to mono. In fact, some of those phase cancellations are less present in stereo. If that sounds a little too complicated to deal with, the newest addition to mastering the mix lineup, Fuser, will make it a no big deal. First step to fix clashes is to work on volume balance. If a channel is getting lost in the mix, an intuitive move is to make it louder. But that's totally wrong. Instead, you should load Fuser on it, go to sidechain settings, and select your dominant sound as sidechain source. You can see that the pointer on input gain knob starts to move a little. Simply align gain knob to it. This will set those two channels at the same volume, but obviously that's a suggestion. So try different settings if you need to. Next, we need to create more space. Fuser main display shows frequency conflicts between two channels. Red ones are for mid-image and yellow are for side. As I've mentioned, no worries, it's gonna be smooth and easy. All you gotta do is to click Resolve Conflicts button. Fuser will create a node which provides you with transparent fix for conflicts and frequency masking without overdoing it. That doesn't mean you can't tweak it for your needs as well. If you want to do this manually, simply double-click on frequency display. You can increase the amount by dragging it down. Control bandwidth, attack, release, and mid-side individually for each node you create. Speaking of mid-side processing, getting familiar with it leads to professional results. Each conflict becomes more present in the same spot in both mid and side image. But if there's only one side causing issues, resolving both will not give the best results. With Fuser, it is very simple to see where the sounds clash. Once again, red for mid and yellow for side. Once you create a node, turn mid-side knob depending on where your conflict is. That ensures precise docking in mid or side, leaving the rest of stereo image untreated. Once you have volume balance right, frequency conflicts resolved, you may also need to take care of phase alignment. Fuser is made to help you with that as easy as with previous steps. If you want to know more how it works with phase, make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss new videos about Fuser. Following guides from Fuser display is more than enough to dial in all of those settings the right way. But there are some things you can tweak and tips you can try. Pressing Delta button allows you to solo the elements removed by Fuser. Once pressed, try soloing your sidechain signal. That allows to be even more precise while adjusting attack, release, and stereo placement. If you use faders for mixing, don't forget to use gain stage fixed up. Plugins can't detect fader levels in your DAW, so by typing them here, you can basically calibrate Fuser to work more precisely. To be honest with you guys, identifying and resolving frequency conflicts might be the most important part in mixing. You may have the craziest melody line, fattest bass on the planet, but once your mix starts to sound cluttered, there is nothing much to do to save listening experience. By using Fuser, you not only get the mix clarity, but also a bunch of information where those problems occur and how to deal with them. As always, free trial is available on our website, so check the link in the description and let us know how you like it.